Sunday, February 16th. And as I indicated on the previous video, all major mechanical is now done on the 1975s or Snow 75 Bombardier. And looks like they pumped up the tires here, so might not need tubes. But we're going to check in on Dad and Aidan and find out what's going on. And it looks like I might just be Dad. Here we go, there's Aidan. Looks like he's using spray 9 on the inside. Is that what you're doing, is spray 9? Oh wow, look how much it's cleaned up in here.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's 15 grand resale value tacked on now.
Yeah, exactly. So, yeah. If you remember, it was pretty filthy in here, but now Aidan's been at that all day and it's gleaming white. So, and that's his wash pail there. It's pretty dirty. But, yeah, that's beautiful on the inside. We'll check in on Dad and see what he's up to. So, what's going on with you?
They're sanded and covered and they're primal.
Okay.
The young guy started on that project.
Yeah, I saw that.
Going really good.
Yeah, good.
And we're gonna clean these at the last. Got all that done.
Yeah.
So that's it.
Okay. So, like Dad said, he's good. He's ready to prime all these. This is as far as it's going for the sanding, I guess. And he's got the front passenger door here, rear door, driver's side door, one of the back doors. I don't know where the other one is. Oh, it's right here, I think. And then he also has the back rad door here as well to do. So this is the world these guys are going to be living in for the next probably week or two of just sanding, priming, and painting, and getting all this done. And but it needs to get done.
Peter has nothing to worry about.
Good.
Nikki Ashton was on TV.
Oh God.
And she's gonna pull for the north.
Oh good. Okay, if nobody knows, Nikki Ashton is our local member of parliament who has literally done nothing. I mean zero in 14 years. Anyways, moving on. Yeah, so this is what these guys are up to today here, and I can't believe how clean that looks. And they still got to wipe down the dash, and there's going to be a lot of dust in this shop, so we're going to be cleaning this non-stop here and the shop. I actually had to tell Dad a few times to leave this on, just so that the air exchanger is picking up as many of those particulates as possible, because he might not care, but that little dog's lungs aren't going to be able to hold it. Charlie is busy supervising his dog dish, growling at Nina. But yeah, there we go. So this is what these guys are up to today, guys, and hopefully we can bring you some better updates in the next couple of days and some progress. But this is what it's going to look like here for probably the next couple of videos. It's just Dad priming, sanding, and painting.